This simple skeleton channel made $55,000 last month, and they don't even show their face. How are these simple skeleton videos getting millions of views? So I checked it out. The channel has less than 60 uploads, but somehow it already has hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Then I opened the popular tab. One video crossed 20 million views. Another one is sitting around 18 million. That's when I realized something. This style looks simple, but it's structured very smartly. I will checking there earning he earned $55,000 in last month. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create the same type of AI storytelling videos. And yes, using mostly free tools. But before we start, let me show you a quick example.
What would happen if you used your mobile phone continuously for 24 hours? You would likely start experiencing headaches. Your mind wouldn't feel focused, and it would become difficult to concentrate on studying. Because of prolonged screen exposure, your eyes could turn red and feel irritated. Using your phone for long hours without breaks can seriously affect your health.
Step 1. Finding viral ideas. First, go to a channel in this niche. Open their video page. Switch to the popular section. Look at what topics are getting the most views. Take a screenshot of that page. Now open ChatGPT. Click the plus icon and upload the screenshot. After uploading, write a prompt asking for similar video ideas based on high-performing content. The AI will analyze the image and give you multiple related ideas. Pick one that feels interesting and repeatable. Step 2. Writing the script. Once you have your topic, it's time to create the script. Use a structured storytelling prompt. Replace the topic with your own. You'll get a time-based script like day 1, week 1, month 1, year 1. That progression keeps viewers watching. Copy the full script and save it. Now this time to use step 3, creating image prompts. Now we turn the script into visuals. Use a script to image prompt generator. Copy this script and paste the same chat of ChatGPT. Paste your script into it. It will convert each line into a detailed visual description. Copy those prompts. Step 4. Generating images. Open your preferred AI image generator. I personally use Whiskey. I set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Copy the first prompt and paste the first prompt in Whiskey. Generate. Download the image. Repeat this for every scene. Step by step and download all images. You should now have all your visuals ready. Step 5. Adding motion static images. Work. But motion increases retention. I use Flow AI to make motion in images. So go there and click New Project, then select Frames to Video and Ratio 9:16. Upload each image into a tool. First image and second image. Switch output to portrait mode. Add subtle motion like slow zoom. Slight camera movement, light animation. Generate each clip, so you can follow these steps for all the images to adding motion. Step 6. Editing everything together.
If you can edit and merge this using any editing software, then go ahead and create a high-quality video. Make sure the video looks clean,
And that's
smooth,
it.
and well
Simple
polished.
structure,
And don't
strong
forget to
hook,
subscribe to Rimzane
time-based
for more
storytelling.
amazing content like